Big move. Good morning vlog, first day in Cuba. I'm not sure if I showed you guys the washroom yesterday, but this is literally the washroom. This glass, so you could totally see my bits and bites when I get out of the shower, and you can see my bits and bites when I'm going to the washroom. It's cute, little vacation vibes. I really like it, but the view, guys, let me show you the view. The water, ocean view. Good morning, Cuba. And then the pool is over, one of the pools is over there. I'm having so much fun. This is my second time in Cuba. I love this resort. It's so nice. Compared to Cayo Coco, I'm never going to Cayo Coco again. Where I was, they were trying to say because Cayo Coco branches off, it was like a lagoon. There was so much bugs, mosquitoes, all of that. And we stocked up heavy on mosquito spray, all that. I don't even need that here. I don't. I think I got bit once and that was it. I think it's lunchtime right now. It's like 11 something. My mom's actually at the pool right now, so we might go. I might go to the pool. Who knows? I'll get ready soon. Yeah, like the food here, I haven't tried like the lunch buffet or the dinner buffet yet, but breakfast buffet, this is what I ate at breakfast. 10 out of 10 compared to Cayo Coco. But anyways, I just wanted to, you know, come in and just give you that little morning hello, and I'll pop in soon. I don't know when, but I'll see you when I see ya. Over the phone, driving slow. I do my phone when I get through. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. For the real one, exactly what it is. Say it 'cause you know that's why I want to. Last time you saw me, I went to the beach. I actually switched up my beach fit later on after lunch and went to the beach again. But this is everything I had for lunch. And now we're on our way to dinner. And yeah, we had a blast. I have a reservation for one for lunch. This is the lunch fit and I cannot wait to try out this restaurant. My mom is telling me to try this. Do you guys not see it separated? I'm not drinking that. You drink it. Do a taste test. You win. No, she doesn't like it, but it's separated.
Nice. It's okay.
I am not drinking that. Here, this is my drink, my taste test. Water. I can't even see. 12:21 at 1 we have our food reservation at Betty's.
What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why.
The chicken tastes so good.
I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, get nervous when you go. I say I'm not home.
Chocolatey. I don't know why I'm being convinced to go with this.
If you go, I want a minute if you want. Oh no, if you
Let him smell you.
If you want, I go.
Oh my gosh. I don't know about that.
Sit there.
Mom, get on the other side. I'm coming.
Fine.
You go, yeah, you sit here.
Guys.
I'm on a horse.
Soldier boy, tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crack back 3 times from left to right.
We're in the countryside right now. I just want to show you guys where our hotel is.
Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crack
Right
it?
there.
Why me crack that soldier boy?
The outhouse here, visiting.
Crack that soldier, why me? Crack that soldier, why me? that soul, now why me? Crank that soul, now what? Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me? Crank that soul, 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 now what? Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me in it? Why me roll? Superman. Yeah, why me?
Long.
I'm in Guadalajara. Look at my ride, guys. A horse. I'm just trying to see how 3 people are gonna fit on here, but we're gonna make it work. Oh my gosh, guys, I got myself a mango from Mr. Amigo, who dropped us back. Oh, this mango's so good. Anyways, I need to put my swimsuit on. So there was a big thunderstorm yesterday. I was too scared to even record for you guys. Oh my gosh, I need to... It was banging so loud. I've never heard thunder that loud before in my life. Anyways, good morning, guys. This is my breakfast outfit. Outside is extremely hot and damp because of the rain. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I need to wipe that. It's all foggy. Apparently, it was water in the lens. So there was water in the camera that had to dry up. It's kind of dried up now, but I'm at breakfast right now. I'll show you guys what I'm eating. We got bacon, some crepes, and eggs. As someone who loves mangoes like me, this is the most mangoes I've had in my life, and I'm in love because I love mangoes. I've been having mangoes breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm about to go on a bike ride. I don't know how long it's been since I rode a bike. I want to say 10 years since I rode a bike, and today I'm riding one again for the first time in 10 years. And your girl's a little chunky girl, so we're gonna see in my chunky bod if this is gonna go. Fun fact, I've always wanted one of these bikes growing up. What are they called, banana bikes, or
I don't know.
I don't know. This is my this was my dream bike growing up. I guess it still is my dream bike.
The brake
Here?
is reversible.
Oh, back? Yeah.
Break
Yeah. Good, thank you.
Okay.
I haven't driven a bike in like 10 Guys, I haven't driven a bike in years. I don't know how to do it.
Been here before.
all week. I'm playing, but y'all know I don't like staying places for long because I get homesick. I miss my bed, I miss watching my Netflix, I miss my three-legged cat. So it's time for me to get up out of here. Believe it or not, we were supposed to check out at 12. And we asked the secretary if we could stay until 5, and she let us. It's 5:16 right now. We gotta be downstairs for 6:12. That's when our bus picks us up to bring us to the airport. So we'll just, you know, kick it downstairs in the lobby until then. And then our flight to Toronto is at 10 in the night. And then we will reach Toronto 2 a.m. on Saturday. Let's peep the comments. Who is that? Big move. Time to head out. Goodbye, Club Amigo Atlantica, Guadalajara.
phone dropping tears. I get my bottle when I can feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
Bye, Looking Airport. This is a nice settling plan.
I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to
Goodbye, Looking Cuba.
Yeah. I've been traveling around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line.
We're taking off right now. This is where I leave you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'll see you guys in another video.